dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline and welcome. Okay guys, so today I have an Old Navy haul. I picked up a bunch of stuff for my kiddos. I have twin boys. They're 11 years old. One is bigger than the other one, so they wear different sizes, but I do like to coordinate their outfits. So everything is matching. So let's see. It's still in the package. I didn't even open it yet because see, I order things at night time and then I forget what I bought, and then in the morning it's like, did I really order it or was that a dream? Because I do dream about shopping. That's how bad it is. Anyways, I have my coffee too. I have to go, so I'm gonna make it quick, so I promise I won't talk that much, maybe. That's hot. Okay, let's just start. Oh, what was I saying? Did I finish my thought? I always do that. Oh yeah, so that was my point, is that it's a surprise. Every time I get stuff, when the bag came, my husband's like, there's a package in the door, and I was like, I didn't buy anything. Like, what are you talking about? And he's like, maybe it was me, I don't remember. And then I'm like, oh yeah, I did buy that. And he's just like, and it's pretty heavy. So anyways, that was lame. Oh, I could get a thumbnail. Okay, it's not that much. Maybe I'll join this video with my Shein haul, because I did order some stuff from Shein. I think it was that same night. I was brave. Anyways, so the jeans, the day that I bought them, were $10. So I'm hoping they fit my little babies. Okay guys, so if you remember it, well, the last shopping haul that I did, my spring home decor, all the way at the end of the video, I was telling you guys, because I bought some swimming trunks for the kids, and I was telling you guys about the adjustable waistbands, that I would never buy pants again without the adjustable waistband, because literally you just need them, right? They fit them by everything else except the waist. Like my little Chatty, this would be ginormous on him. I always have to like pull it all the way to the max, because, but he's taller, you know, so he needs the length. That's why I buy them bigger. But anyway, so these are the skinny non-stretch jeans, but I like the color of them, and they're not like super skinny, you know, they're more like a straight, but I don't buy straight because then the straight is too big on them. It's like bulky. But anyways, it does have the adjustable waistband, which is what I was telling you guys is super, super important. But I like them, they're cute, they're 10 bucks. And then I also got that, which I honestly, cause then when I was thinking about what did I buy, I couldn't remember if I bought them, if I bought Chatty the jeans, which actually, yeah, I bought him everything. I bought Caleb, so I didn't have to. So I'm probably gonna just return all of Chatty's pants because the kid doesn't need any. Everything still fits him from when he was like 9. So, cause I always buy their clothes big. So he still has a lot of jeans, and any jeans that were Caleb's, they don't, first of all, they don't like to wear any jeans. So anything that they have, they probably wore it to church once or twice, or, you know, if we went to a dinner or something, but they don't like to wear them to school, so they don't jack them up or anything like that. So all the jeans are still perfectly fine for Chatty to wear. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and return at least 2 of them, because I bought 3 different colors. He doesn't need them. Caleb, on the other hand, he does, because he is just growing and he doesn't have anyone that's bigger than him to give him clothes. So I have to buy him. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna return 2 of them, but one of them I'm gonna keep for their Easter outfit, which I actually got. I'll show you guys in just a second. But anyways, I was thinking about that the other day. I'm like, why did I do that? So I'll just be returning at least 2 of these because he doesn't need them, honestly. Or I might see if my cousin wants them, because her kid, yeah, these are for, I'm not even gonna open those. Okay, I might keep these. Ooh, what? Oh, these are shorts. What? Oh, see guys, I promise you, I don't even know what I'd be buying. Okay, so apparently I bought shorts. I wonder how much I paid for these. I don't remember shorts being on sale. But Caleb does need shorts, so that's good that I bought him. Chatty, probably not, but I'll probably just keep them. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna check my receipt and see how much I paid, because if it was too much, I'm returning them because he has shorts. But these are stretchy, I like them. And then they also have the, they do not have, why do they do that? See, I'm gonna have to return these. They do not have the adjustable waistband. I could have sworn I checked that. I don't know, because it says built-in tough, which I don't know if I just thought, I don't know, maybe I just assumed that all of them had it. I'm gonna have Caleb try these on. I know for a fact, I don't even have to try for Chatty that they're not gonna fit him, so I'm not even gonna bother. So this will be going back, this will be going back, and these. Chatty has like 5 pair of black jeans that he refuses to wear because he says that they're too big. They're not too big, guys. He's just a weirdo. Anyways, my baby's not a weirdo, I'm joking. Okay, so anyways, I guess I'll just show you guys. This was a bust. I was about to say, if these don't have it, I promise you I'm fighting somebody, whoever made them. No, but this has the adjustable waistband. So I got the same thing for Caleb, the skinny, these are a 16 and these are just a skinny leg. Plain black pants because he needs them like really bad. He doesn't have any and I've been looking for them everywhere, but they're all like $20. And I don't know about you guys, but I'm not paying $20 for kid jeans. I won't even pay $20 for adult jeans and they're bigger. No. I'm cheap, okay? And my kids grow like weeds. I'm not spending all that money on clothes to then have to give it away. No. So that's a good buy, $10, that's awesome. Okay, and then it shows you guys that. All right, let me just show you the top and then we're done. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna join this video with another one. So it took a lot of convincing. Guys, I freaking love this shirt so much. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, so I was shopping on the website and I was like, oh my gosh, I really love this shirt. But I'm like, my kids do not do pink. Like, pink is for girls, pink is for girls. I'm like, no, it's not. Girls wear all the colors, why can't you? So, anyways, so I was like, guys, like I really, okay, my kids don't like to listen to me. They only listen to their dad as far as style goes. Even though their dad buys none of their clothes, I'm the one that buys it all. Of course he pays for it, but who cares? It's about the picking, right? So I pick their clothes. And anything that I buy and my husband doesn't like, the boys are like, I'm not wearing that. I'm not wearing that. So Mama's not cool, but Papa's very cool. And Papa knows what he's doing. So I text my husband, I said, honey, do you like this shirt for the boys for Easter? And he said, yeah, I actually do. I was like, So I said, would you wear it? He's like, no. But then again, he's not a little kid. So I was like, okay, well, I think I'm gonna see if the boys will wear it, whatever. So I go to the boys and they're like, I'm like, hey guys, I really wanna get this shirt. Papa already said he likes it. And they're like, let me see. And I show them and they're like, Mama, that's a girl shirt. I'm like, no, it's not. Look at the boy, he's wearing it. And it says boys. No girl's gonna wear this shirt. This is a boy shirt. And they were like, no, I don't wanna wear pink and I don't wanna wear flowers. And I'm like, cause my husband's brother, his name is Eric, he wears a lot of floral like shirts and stuff. So I was like, oh, Uncle Eric wears florals. And they're like, really? Because Uncle Eric is cool too. So I'm like, yeah, Uncle Eric wears florals. And they're like, no, he doesn't. I said, yeah, huh? I'm going to find it on Instagram and show you. So I'm looking on Instagram because I could have sworn I seen him with a floral red shirt. Probably a long time ago. It was a long time ago because when I went to go look, it was nowhere on his page. So I'm like, I'm not gonna sit here and look, but I'm like, I promise you he does. So then they were like, I don't know. Then I found they had this yellow and black shirt that was like a floral yellow and black. And I'm like, yellow and black is for boys. Like, what about this one? They're like, I'd rather do the pink. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy the pink. And they're like, fine. So I get to have my way. So anyways, very long story, and I didn't make it short, just long story ended. We got the shirts. So we got 2 of them. This one's Chatty's and this one's Kayla. Please tell me I got the right size. Yeah, I did. But I'm so excited. So they're just gonna wear it with just some jeans. I was probably thinking these, but now that's not gonna work because I know that's not gonna fit them. I might just do the long pants. I don't know, but I'm excited. I think it's gonna be super, super cute, and yeah, I'm excited. Anyways, if this is the end of the video, let's go ahead and close it out. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to have your notification bell on so that you get notified every time that I post, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.